You ask Tiger to calculate. This deals with the order of operations. The final result is 33. Let's solve it step by step. Simplify the expression. We begin by calculating the expression inside the parentheses. Calculate any addition or subtraction, from left to right. 9 minus 3 equals 6. Perform any multiplication or division, from left to right. 2 times 6 equals 12. Calculate any addition or subtraction, from left to right. 42 minus 12 equals 30. 30 plus 3 equals 33. And so the final result is 33.